Asterlo. My name is Luis Manuel Suárez Torres. Group number 212032 piso 38. Below I will present the results obtained from our Canvas model. Each of the points developed allow us to observe its activity and purpose in the tile. My gourmet heart. The model is based on business that has just started. It seems to me that there are smart important data that the value proposition is interesting, interesting as it is offering a free installation service which user will take and trick. He sent to me that later on the cost structure we have to be paid close attention to as the enterprise group in order to have a more transcendental control. The value proposition propo, propo, the value proposition that base fits is the market segment. This is my presentation. The value proposition that base fits is the market segment. A continuation. This is my presentation about my venture. My venture. We see it project in the not top distant future to be a competitive company at a regional level. These tools that they provide us, such as the Canvas model, allow us to allow, allow us to classify and structure our company. They are technical tools that will help me to group with my business. Thank you.